In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tipping options at checkout in your Shopify store. This feature can enhance the checkout experience, encouraging your customers to show appreciation for your services directly through optional gratuities. So, let's dive right into setting this up. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, look towards the bottom left corner of the page where you'll see the Settings tab. Go ahead and click on that. By selecting Settings, you're entering the area where you can customize various aspects of your store to suit your specific needs. After opening Settings, you'll find a selection of options. What we want to focus on right now is the Checkout settings, because this is where we'll introduce the tipping feature. On this page, you'll see several settings related to the checkout process. Once you're viewing your checkout settings, look for the option that allows you to enable tipping. You should see a checkbox labeled Show Tipping Options at Checkout. Check this box, and what you're doing is essentially granting your customers the opportunity to leave a tip when they're completing their orders. This can be a great way to let your customers express gratitude, especially if you've provided them with extraordinary service or if they want to support your business further. Next, it's time to set the tipping option presets. These are essentially predefined percentage amounts your customers can choose from when they decide to leave a tip. You can set whatever percentage you feel is most appropriate, but common presets are often around 10%, 15%, and 20%. Ensure these presets are reasonable, and consider your typical order values to make them meaningful yet accessible for your customers. This personalization helps in presenting your customers with clear and easy options during checkout. Once you've carefully set your presets, the next move is to save these changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the top or bottom of the settings page, and click it. By saving your settings, you're ensuring that these adjustments are reflected in your Shopify store, enabling your customers to see and use these tipping options the next time they check out. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled tipping options at checkout in your Shopify store. With these steps completed, you're now better equipped to capture the generosity of your customers, a gesture that can significantly benefit your business. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to assist. Happy selling!